In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana, especially if you're just getting started. Asana is a powerful tool designed to help you manage tasks and projects efficiently, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to get started on the right foot. So let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about getting started with Asana. Head over to asana.com to kick things off. Once you're there, you'll see an option to get started. Click on that and you'll be prompted to sign up using your email or Google account. For beginners, I recommend choosing the basic plan, which is absolutely free and offers a substantial range of features without requiring a credit card. It's an excellent way to get acquainted with the platform. Now, what exactly does the free Asana plan offer? Well, quite a bit. You get unlimited tasks, projects, messages, and activity logs, which is fantastic for maintaining organized workflows. There's also unlimited storage, allowing 100 MB per file. You can team up with up to 10 people in your workspace, which is perfect for small teams or personal productivity. Additionally, you have access to different views like list, board, and calendar, along with basic search and reporting features. Plus, Asana offers basic integrations with apps like Google Drive, Slack, and Outlook. All of this makes it a solid choice for managing tasks without extra costs. Next, let's set up your first workspace. A workspace is essentially your main management hub, whether you're using Asana for personal goals or team projects. Create a new workspace by following the prompts. Once inside, you'll want to start setting up projects, such as a marketing plan, content calendar, or personal goals. Under each project, you can add tasks and even break them down into subtasks, making it easier to manage complex activities. Organizing your tasks and projects is key, and Asana offers multiple views to help with this. Even with the free plan, you can switch between list view, which is your traditional task list, board view for those who prefer a Kanban style workflow, and calendar view, which allows you to see tasks by their due dates. This flexibility lets you visualize deadlines without needing any premium features. Collaboration is another great feature of Asana. You can add up to 10 teammates for free, assign tasks to a specific owner, and include collaborators so that everyone stays updated. Furthermore, Asana allows you to comment and upload files directly on tasks, enhancing team communication and project management. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering Asana for your projects. Thanks for tuning in, and happy task managing with Asana.